Okay, the podcast for this shapes of the molecules quiz. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you had to put in the number of valence electrons. For water, it's 6 and 1 for each hydrogen for a total of 8. The correct dot structure for water, which you've seen many times, I'm sure, looks like that. The existence of these unshared pairs on the central atom caused this to be a bent triatomic shape. Second one here, carbon dioxide, 4 and then 6 and then 6 for a total of 16. This has got no unshared pairs on the central carbon. Central carbon typically doesn't have unshared pairs. That's an important thing to notice, and you'll see it again and again. No unshared pairs on the central atom means that this is linear. The next one here, this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, and we're going to put a triple bond here, an unshared pair there. There's your 10. And this has no unshared pairs on the central atom. We call this a linear. Number 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, hydrogen does one thing, and that's what it does. You have this pair of unshared electrons in the central atom. That bends it into a pyramidal shape. I'll remind you, a pyramidal, it's not a planar thing. It's actually looks a little bit like a pod that could land on its little triangular base. And that's all because of that unshared pair on that central atom. Okay, here we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to need a double bond there and 2 pairs of unshared electrons on the oxygen. And of course, you've got those. You have no pairs of unshared electrons on the carbon. So this is what we call the trigonal planar. And the last one, we have CH4. It's doing what hydrogen always does, one single bond. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. And we call this a tetrahedral. Thank you very much.